everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is part 2 in a series for an experiment I'm conducting with one of my pen pals, in which we each keep a journal and send them between each other. If you missed part 1, I will link it on screen now. But as you can see here, this is the journal entry that I made in my last video. So today we're going to make a new entry, and I thought that I'd share it with you all. This is the journal entry that my pen pal shared. So as you can see, she's included some lipstick samples, some magazine cutouts, and some little facts about herself. So now, onto my journal entry. I'm just taking some decorative paper here, and I'm going to use that to cover the lines in the journal. So I'm just arranging it how I'd like it to appear in the journal. I'm just going to cut the paper down to size with some scissors, and to give it a nice effect I'm just ripping some of the edges to make it look a bit more pretty, a bit more interesting, and then I'm just going to glue it down. Next, it's time to start decorating my journal entry. So I'm just opening up the KKK Paper Lovers book, and I'm just taking a sticker out here, as you can see, and I'm just going to put that on the page, and I think that is a little scribbly burger. And then I'm just taking this sticker book, and I'm just going to put this sweet sticker in place, and I think that looks really pretty. And then I wanted to include a recipe for my pen pal for these delicious vegan brownies, and I'll also include the recipe down below in case you're interested. So I'm just taking some washi tape and I'm sticking that down, and then I'm just going to write out my recipe. But if you love brownies, I definitely recommend checking this recipe out and giving it a go. They're absolutely delicious, and they're full of iron as well, so they're really good for you. As good as brownies can be. So I've written my recipe out. And then I also wanted to include a little bookmark for my pen pal. So I've just taken that from the Paper Lovers book again, and I'm just going to fold that up as it should go, glue it down, and I'm going to include that on the second page of my journal. Now onto decorating the second page. I'm just taking some more printed paper again, and I'm going to cut that to the size I want and arrange it how I'd like to sit. And I'm going to glue that into the journal. And again, I like the ripped effect. So I've just done that, and then I'm just going to glue that piece down, and then I'm going to get on to decorating the second page in the journal. So we're going to sit my bookmark there, and then I've got these die cuts to decorate with, and as you can see here, I'm just going through them and choosing some out, and I'm just going to arrange them how I'd like them to appear. And these die cuts that I'm using come from the Reject Shop, and I think they're really cute. I also wanted to include a washi sample for my pen pal. You've seen me do this a million times, so I'm just going to speed through this. And then I wanted to include a list of my currents. So as you can see here, I'm just writing that out. Then I've got these sunglasses, and I'm just gluing them down, and then I'm writing out a list of the foods I hate that everyone else seems to love. Now I'm sticking the washi tape tag down, using washi tape, and I'm just writing out washi sample for you, and then I'm just sticking this little butterfly down. And finally, I wanted to include a sample of my favourite lipstick for my pen pal. So I've just done that on some paper, and I'm just going to glue that down, and then we're finished. So that's my journal entry. I really hope that you guys like it and you have enjoyed watching. I hope that I've given you some inspiration for your pen pal letters. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe if you haven't already. I hope that you're all having a wonderful day, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.